kasi naguhugas ng plato. Mabait ka ba?
Ako.
Well,
Mabait.
mabait ikaw?
Mama, bakit ko na ano?
Don't put so much water. It's so much soap. No! Don't throw it na. You're wasting.
Bakit mo na ano?
It's too much soap.
Bakit mo na? Five.
Kasi it's too long na.
Okay lang.
You're not able to send it to me on, messenger. Sige na. Finish mo na yan. And you have to turn off the water. Soak everything first. Put it here. What you ever soak. Put it here. Put it here. Okay. Soak mo lahat. Lagay mo dyan. Tapos, when you're finished, that's when you open the water.
Pag na ano ko matagal, lalalag.
Kaya it's supposed to be short lang. Don't get so much soap. That's enough na. Dami mo nilagay na soap. Sayang.
Ah.
Finish na.
Hindi pa.
Batang mabait. Naghuhugas ng plato. Mabait yan. Very good. Now, put the sponge back. Now, you can open the faucet. That's how you wash dishes. Para hindi access sa water and sa soap. Wash mo properly. Make sure there's no bubbles.
Mama, tingin chest ko.
That's okay. That's why I said you need your apron.
Hanap mo nga yung sayo.
I can find it.
Ha?
Women's stuff.
Pwede ba tawel?
Bilisan mo sa yung water.
Pwede ba yung tawel? Bakit?
Do it properly. When you're washing dishes, don't waste water. Kasi mommy is paying water, diba? Oh, now you have to wipe the counter. See those soap?
Pwede ko na lang.
You have to rink it.
Ha?
Rink. Dito mo i-rink. Yan. Oh, tapos punasan mo. Diba? Mas mabilis mawala.